Let's pop in YouTube, and from you see the cap and the wig, you already know what's going on. Like, we're about to shoot a hair tutorial. So basically today I'm gonna install this 613 unit from my hairline. It's a 40-inch 13x4 unit. I'm gonna do a middle part with some curls, nothing too crazy, for my brother's graduation tomorrow. So I'm about to go ahead and blow out the hair a little bit because I don't want it to be too crazy when I'm curling it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the process to install it. But as y'all already know how I melted my cap with my lace glue. Love it here, it's already clear. I'm about to put some makeup on there, y'all, and then we're gonna get right into the video. So alright, y'all, so this is the hair blowed out. I ain't do it bone straight, y'all, but I sprayed some of my silkening mist on there and blowed it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the makeup on my cap now. This makeup and just put it on my cap, and I'm gonna put this also inside of the wig cap. How it looks on the cap, y'all. A wipe and just clean my edges up so it's no excess makeup and stuff. The glue, I'm using my Fluffy's lace glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 layers of this, y'all. Fast my glue turns clear, y'all. Like, you literally have to move fast as hell when you're using my glue. No cap. Everything I'm doing, y'all, you're gonna get a good install every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 layers of this, y'all, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I ain't gonna lie, I just did like 6 layers of glue because I'm trying to make this wig last because I'm going to Jamaica on Saturday. And I am not trying to do a reinstall, so we're gonna make this wig last. And I'm gonna show y'all how good my glue is when I get to Jamaica. I did 6 layers of glue. Once again, my Fluffy's lace glue. Let me show y'all how my 613 wigs come. It comes with a band inside so you can make it glueless, and it comes with the clips. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this little comb out because I hate when it's in my wig. It makes my wig bumpy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. Clear, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Make sure I push those air tabs in, y'all. This comb and just press everything in. Go ahead and get these air tags off, y'all. And then I told y'all I'm doing a widow's peak, so let me go ahead and get that parted out. So to do the widow's peak, I'm gonna just go ahead and part out 2 little parts like so and pull these out. So like boom, let me just make sure they're even. Make sure this part is straight. Okay. So 2 little parts like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, ooh, I think this, yeah, I think this done melted in the wig. Hold on. Ooh, yeah. I think I done melted this in, y'all. So hold on. I think I'm gonna have to do it off the cap. Just pull it out, y'all. Do this before you glue down your lace, y'all. Or you're gonna end up like me, because this shit is melted right now. Okay, that should be good on that side. Ooh, that shit melted for sure. Ooh, yeah, look what I did. See, I'm doing bad, y'all. Don't be like me, y'all. Thank God it didn't rip bad. Thank God it didn't rip the middle part right there, y'all. Okay. Thank God, y'all. That's not an error, because we ripped off what we needed to be ripped off. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and melt this down with the bend real quick, y'all. And curling iron off a TikTok shop. As you can see, I never used it before, so we about to try this, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start cleaning up the middle part, y'all, and then we're gonna use this curling iron today. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Hold it down wax, and I'm gonna just go ahead and part out this hair in the back. Fountain spray. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and do the same thing to this side. So I turned on the curling iron, y'all. So let's see how this goes. I never used one of these before, y'all. You do it like so, I guess. This is convenient though. Okay, y'all. So I think I'm supposed to just pull it out, but like just take it out like this, y'all. Okay, yeah, maybe. So this is how it looks. So that's how it looks. So okay, y'all. So when I get to like top of my head, y'all, these how the curls is looking so far, y'all. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it, y'all. When I comb it out, I think they're gonna actually be cute, y'all. So let me show you how to do it. So I just clip it at the end like so, and then I just go ahead. Oh, did I turn it off? Okay. So I just go ahead and I just press that button, and I just take it down like so. Oh, yeah. So I ain't really mad at it for real. I ain't mad, y'all. I think it's gonna eat. I think it's gonna eat, y'all. So this how this side is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and start this side, y'all. That's how it looks, y'all. It's kind of cute. And it does it for you, y'all. So y'all don't even have to move nothing. So I finished the back. It's been like 30 minutes since I had the band on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off. For the scalp, that's no melting spray. That's just the glue. Yes, for the melts. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my razor now and just start cutting off the lace. Come on, y'all, stop playing with me for real, for real. Other side, T. Nothing too crazy. But I'm not gonna do a baby hair for the side. I just want the sideburn to like just drop down. I'm gonna put the nose spray in my hand and push it in. This is the Fluffy's Mountain Spray. The band off, y'all. I just curled the front. I'm about to go ahead and cut these baby hairs and then style it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my razor and just trim the edge. This damn razor dull as fuck. Trim the edge, trim this down a little, and curl this up. I ain't bring my mini flat iron home, y'all, so we gotta work with this big one. Here's Fluffy, y'all, so I'm gonna use my Fluffy mousse. Make sure y'all shop the brand. Y'all know everything used to install this wig is from my brand, y'all, so. The same thing to this side. Boy. Alright, so this is the finished product, y'all. I'm gonna re-curl it in the morning. Show y'all this is how it looks. Show y'all the bag. That TikTok curler did his thing. Yeah, y'all. So I'll insert videos at the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe.